you just a ghost in a machine?
Some advice for a future Nobel Prize winner.
Oh gosh.
How does the particle know that you will sit there and look at it?
We will tinker with not only the human condition, with evolution itself.
Wonderful. Yes, yes, okay.